Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying about the Right to Information Act 2005, familiarizing with the concept, basics, and the various definitions given under the Right to Information Act. Today, in this video, we would be studying about the meaning of third party, where right to information is a right which is available to the citizens of India and it gives access to the information which is held by the public authorities. Therefore, considering the same, what is the meaning of third party? Where third party means a person who is other than the citizen of India making a request for the information and includes public authority. Here, the first major term, the first major person is the third party, and citizens and public authority. Where we have studied previously that the objectives of Right to Information Act is to promote transparency by dissemination of information to the citizens, where it empowers the citizen, and right to information gives a right to the citizen, where it is right to impart and receive information is a kind of a right to in freedom of speech and expression right, where under Article 19 clause 1 subclause a of our constitution, it guarantees to all the citizens of India a freedom of speech and freedom of expression. At the same point of time, Article 19, Clause 2 permits the state to make any law with respect to insofar as such law imposes the reasonable restrictions on the exercise of rights which is conferred by Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A, wherein in the interest Constitution gives the right in the interest of the sovereignty and integrity of India and the security of the state, friendly relation with the foreign states for the purpose of maintaining the public order, the morality, the contempt of court, the defamation, and the incitement of offences. Therefore, as a concept of freedom of speech and expression, which is comprised in the Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A, it gives the right to the citizens to receive information, to demand information from the public authorities, by the authorities who have access to the information. This gives a participation of the public. There is a public participation. This is improve the governance is improved increased by the government of India. The participation of public is possible. There is a result of the efficiency in the working of the government. Therefore, it empowers the citizens and help to promote the transparency, where third party is a person who is not a citizen, a party who is other than the citizen, who makes a request for information, and that third party includes a public authority, wherein public authority has been defined. The public authority has been defined under Right to Information Act in Section 2, Clause H, where it defines public authority means any authority, an institution of self government or a body of self government which is established or formed, constituted by the Constitution of India or under the provisions made by the Constitution of India. The public authority includes means any body which is formed, any authority which is established, constituted by the parliament or by a law made by the Parliament of India. Public authority means a body which has been formed, any institution of self government established or constituted by any law made by the state legislatures, whereby notification which is issued, any order made by the appropriate government for the formation of the body of self governance for the institution, where the right to information is right which is accessible by the Right to Information Act 2005, which is held by the public authority or it is under the control of any public authority. Therefore, One type of public authority, one public authority can demand, one office of the government can demand information from the other office of the government. They can make a request. Therefore, this request made are considered as a request made by a third party. Therefore, the person, third party, that means a person, a party who is making a request for the information, who is making a request for the information under the Right to Information Act, and where this third person, this third party who is making a request is not a citizen of India. Third party includes a public authority. A public authority is defined as per section 2 clause H, which we have learned in the previous videos, which you can see in the playlist of the Right to Information Act, RTI. And a third person is a third party is a person who is other than the citizen of India and making a request for information. And third party includes a public authority. Third party includes a public authority as per the Right to Information Act 2005.